Talaga nga naman. Love na love ni Papa. Buruhilda ka talaga. Good morning. Actually, it is magandang tanghali. It's 12:40 p.m. July 21, 2024. And let's see anong ginagawa. By the way, good morning ate. Ay, magandang tanghali na pala. It's tanghali. Good morning! Sarap! Ano iniiyaw mo?
Ito, chocolate up mo.
Thank you! And you? What are you doing?
Slicing kalabasa.
Oh, gulay. Oh, sarap! Iniiyaw and gulay. Ginisang gulay. Thank you so much. Love you. Happy Sunday!
Happy Sunday!
Sarap naman ng Sunday. Inasikaso kami ni Bunso at ni Papa. Love you.
Love you.
We have leche flan made by V. Thank you, baby. Kitty bye-bye. Sabi, magbati ka sa kanila. A happy and blessed Sunday, everyone. Take care. Ang cutie-cutie pie ng baby. Maulan. Nagabi sa lahat. It's 10 p.m. July 22, 2024. Magandang gabi. Happy Monday. Yan. Nothing much for today. Actually, since maulan, it's all take out foods or pa-deliver. Hindi nakapagluto. And that's it. May bagyo tayo. And yung tulog, maayos naman. By the way, maayos ang tulog natin. Yep. Wala pang 11, tulog na ako. And I woke up before 7 a.m. So, yeah. Have a great day. Maulan na panahon. And just in case hindi nyo pa natatry, masarap tong anong tawag dito? Fusion something ng Nutella fusion ng Burger King. Masarap siya. Try it. So, happy Tuesday. It is July 23, 2024. And andito tayo ngayon sa Cathedral ng Antipolo, Our Lady of Peace and Good Voyage. So we ran some errands and we decided na umakyat sa mahal na Birhen at tumaan dito sa loob ng simbahan, of course, to pray. Just filmed this and did a voice over. Ang ganda ng simbahan ng Antipolo. So we're done with our errands. Pauwi na tayo, and since bihira tayong sumakay ng public transport dahil na lagi tayong nakamotor, natutuwa po talaga kami nung nakakasakay kami sa ganitong tricycle, sa Bajaj ba ang tawag dito? Yan yung tawag nila dito, Bajaj. Yan, hindi tayo nakapag-motor dahil grabe ang ulan, ang OA ng ulan. And since nagpagawa naman ng sasakyan si Papa BJ kanina, pinagawa niya yung sasakyan ni Jones. So, tinest na lang din kung okay na. So far, okay yung sasakyan. And that's it. Oo, kasi ginamit nila yun sa condo dati. Yung pang sangyup. Sangyup and dinuguan. Good morning and happy Friday. It's July 26, 2024. And ayan na, lumabas na ang haring araw. Tapos na or nakaalis na ang super typhoon na Karina. I hope everyone is safe. Diba? Yan. Happy Friday. Take care. Oh, by the way, for this week's vlog, just want to share na ang ayos po ng tulog ko. No oversleeping, though may mga late na pagtulog, but okay na siya. No oversleeping, and then regular na, minsan 1 or 2 tulog na, and then 7, ganyan, pinakalita 7, gising na. So, umaayos naman na siya. And I'm happy for that. Again, I hope everyone is safe sa nagdaang bagyo. Thank you. Have a great day. Pritong tilapia and tirang gulay with toyong may first time to try. And is it masarap?
Yeah. Tastes like cut matcha.
KitKat matcha.
Papa.
And first time magluto ni V ng spaghetti, and ang sarap. Good job, baby. So proud of you. Good job. It's good. Sarap, sarap. I like it. Kahit yung matcha. Can you show it, baby? Sarap. Konu Mini Crunch Cereal Jar. This is cookies and cream, and this is matcha crunch. Saan to, baby? Sa
TikTok shop.
TikTok shop. Hi everyone, magandang gabi. And before ending this vlog, by the way, it is already 10:15 p.m. Saturday, July 27, 2024. And again, before ending this vlog, let me just share na it was a great week for me. Dahil maayos po ang tulog ko. Maganda na yung rhythm niya. Like, matutulog ako minsan 12, mga midnight, 1, 2, ganyan AM. And then, magigising ka 7, or depende. Pero wala na talaga siyang oversleeping. Diba? So, yun. And also, umalis tayo kanina. Napunta tayo sa bahay nila Camille and Andrew. Happy birthday, Camille! And antok na tayo. Matutulog na tayo. It was a great day. A great week. So, kahit may nagdaang bagyo, okay naman tayo. And hopefully, yung mga affected ng bagyo, sana maayos na sila, or maayos na kayo kung sino man yung mga na affected. Yun. And well, nung Wednesday, hindi ako nakapag-vlog kasi kasagsagan ng bagyo. So, yun lang. Have a great weekend! Bye! Thanks for watching! See you on the next vlog! Oh, by the way, let me just add, dapat nung Wednesday, may business meeting ako somewhere in SM Marikina. Dun yung dun yung meeting namin. Hindi nga siya natuloy kasi yung kausap ko, it seems sa Marikina nakatira. Looks like affected sila ng bagyo. So, hindi natuloy yung business meeting namin. Hopefully, Monday or Tuesday, hopefully, matuloy na. And I just want this to put on record kasi this is very important for me and the family. So, yun. Sana yung ka-business meeting ko, hopefully okay na siya, or kung affected man siya, sana she's okay, and her family and everyone else na affected, gaya nga nasabi ko kanina. And again, I'm just putting it on record that supposedly no Wednesday I should have a business meeting scheduled at 1 p.m. that day, but it was canceled because of super typhoon Karina, and also 'di ba may southwest monsoon, so, kaya ang daming sobrang baha talaga. It was like undoy, but I think it's worse. So yun lang, just putting it on record. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog. Please like, subscribe, comment if you want, and click the notification bell. Take care. Good night.
Happy birthday to you, shining star.